Hey everyone, okay, so I have Pipsticks, and this was last month's. So let's, or it could have been October, I don't know. It's been a while. It's so hard to get to these. This is November's, so I'm not too far behind. I'm not sure if they've shipped December's yet or not. I don't think so. No, today's barely, yeah, no, they haven't shipped it yet. So we're still good. We're still on time. So let me scooch you in. Close your eyes. Let's see what we get. What was this theme? Oh, so Christmas, or it could be Christmas. Let's see. So New York. That should be New York. And then we have all the animals in their snow gear. And then let me see. Let me put this here. That way maybe we could see it a little bit better. Okay. And then we have shopping. Let me sketch in. Shopping. Nutcrackers. And then, oh, look at the little llama. This one is the classic, if I forgot to tell you. This one is the classic. So basically the adult pack. Which, is there really an adult pack? So holly, acorns. Oh my gosh, look at this one, you guys. Sweet cakes, treats. If you watched my unboxing of Diamond Art Club, the Cupcake Bakery, oh yeah. So that right there, that sticker is in my heart already. Oh gosh, snow gear or winter gear. So, and then you have more snow. Then we have, oh look at these puff jackets. My daughter would live in one of these if she could. She is a little mini thing and she has no fat on her body. I think she has 3%, and so she's always cold. And I'm like, but yeah, my daughter lost 125 pounds. So, yeah. So that's why she's really, really cold. Oh, this is my favorite, you guys. This is my favorite sticker. Holy crud, look at that. That one is phenomenal. Oh gosh, I love anything coffee. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it. That's got a little bit of Christmas Lampoon's Vacation on it with the deer. And then the postcard. The postcard is a nutcracker, which is fitting because I don't think they knew at the time how crazy everybody would be for those nutcrackers from Walmart. And oh, I wish I got one. I really wish I got one. I would have loved that. So did anybody get a nutcracker? Or were you too late to the game too? So this is the, let me sketch you out. This is the kids pack, which if you watch these videos, which I know somebody does because they hate them every time. So why they watch it, I have no clue, but they love to watch and put their little thumbs down on it. So it's hilarious. I love, this is just so fun to color. Oh my gosh, I want to color these so bad, but I have been giving them to friends who have little kids, and you know, and so I don't mind, but I really wish I could do it. So, but this is the kids pack. Now these sticker packs are $19.25 per each of them, and I gladly pay that because I adore them. I really do. Oh, look at this, you guys. So let me sketch it in again. That way you can see. And, oh, look at that one. So it's got a kid. They're cats. Cat snowmen. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh, look at that one, you guys. Snow ice cream. Oh, that is too cute. And snowflakes. Oh, and these look like Yetis. Some of these are so weird, you guys. They're so weird. And that's what I think makes them so unique, that they are, because you're like, where would I use this at? You know, like, where would I put this sticker at exactly? But that's not the point. The point is you just have fun with them. So, like, take your little gun here. I can't remember the name of it for some reason. ATG gun, there we go. And put stickers on it. And who cares? Who cares if they're a rhyme or a reason for them? Just put them on there. And that's okay. Because, I mean, if they make you smile, then, you know, that's all that matters. So, and we got little bears. Bears. If you hear the puppy snoring, they're right outside my door. Narwhals. Love that. They're so glittery. They're so fun. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at these little animals. These animals are bundled up. Oh gosh. You know what? Again, I can't, oh my gosh, I can't win with this company. Again with this cinnamon. I'm going to show you this one, that way I could put it away. I know, oh God, I'm going to die. I'm going to need my inhaler. I'm severely allergic to cinnamon. And this is the third one I've gotten this year that has cinnamon on it. Darn it. And I love the stickers. I love the stickers, but they're going to kill me. So, so yeah. Those are good. Oh my gosh. And so try and breathe, try and breathe. Oh lordy. I need to get rid of it. But we only have a few left. So, so we got marshmallows. Oh, marshmallows are so cute. Polar bears, penguins, and penguins, more penguins. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, and then last but not least, because I gotta get out of here, is the Yetis. They're puff stickers. So, yeah, they're puff stickers. So I love these. These are my favorite, and so are the scratch and sniffs. But not right now. Alright guys, whew, I gotta put this away and get rid of them. So take care, and we'll see you next month. Bye.